Good day, everybody. How are you all? Hope you are all doing great. Today, we are going to talk about discrete probability distribution. A TV station sells 15, 30, and 60-second advertising spots. The following is the probability distribution of advertising spots. X is the length of a randomly selected advertising spot in seconds, and those are 3, 15, 30, and 16, and the corresponding probabilities are listed as Px in the second column of the table. Part A, find the mean and the standard deviation of advertising spots. Part B, if a 15-second spot sells for $500, a 30-second spot for $800, and a 60-second spot for $1,000, find the average and the standard deviation of the amount paid for ad spots on this TV station. Okay, so let's create a little bit of space for us to do this problem. So we will just create some space. So we are first going to find out the mean and the standard deviation of the advertising spots. So this is a discrete probability. So part A, we will use calculator TI-84, enter X values in list 1, L1, and Px values in L2. So first we will clear the memories of the calculator by hitting the second button, then the plus button on top of enter, then number 4. Clear all list, hit enter. Stat 1. So in L1, the first number entry is 15, next one is 30, next one is 60. And after entering the last number in L1, we will hit the right cursor key to move it to the first line in L2, where we enter the corresponding probability values, 0.1, 0.3, and 0.6. Okay, now we press the stat button and then the calc button. So after entering next we do the stat button, then highlight the calc on the top row. Okay, then select number 1, which is var stats. Var stands for variable, and then hit enter. So the first line will be list is L1. Oops, sorry, I have to erase that. The list is L1, and the frequency list, which is the next line, should be L2. And then we will put the cursor on calculate and calculate. Okay. So frequency list should be L2. How do we make it L2? We press the second button and the 2. So we make it second button and 2 after the colon sign in the second line. So that makes it L2. Calculate, put the cursor on calculate and hit enter. So the expected value or the mean of the advertising spots in seconds will be equal to 46.5 seconds. Okay. How about the standard deviation? The standard deviation sigma x, okay, is equal to 17.04. Okay. So that's the mean and the standard deviation. Okay. Now we are ready to do part B. Okay. So we are ready to do part B. So let me create some space by moving this up. Okay. So part B says if a 15-second spot sells for $500, 30-second spot sells for $800, and 60-second spot sells for $1,000. So let's make a table. Okay. So now let's go to part B and make the table. Here X is the cost for advertising spots, for advertising spots. And the corresponding probabilities will be the same as the duration, as the probability distribution for the different durations of the spot. So for 15 seconds, it cost, here's that 15 seconds, it was $500. So let me erase that. So I will go to, so, and I have to move this a little bit up, or the other alternative is, I can make it, yes. So cost is 15 seconds is $500. So it's $500 for 15 seconds, and the corresponding probability is 0.1. And then the next one, cost is $800 for 30 seconds, and the probability for that is 0.3. And the last one, if I move this a little bit up, $1,000 is for the 60-second duration. And the corresponding probability is the same as the probability for the 60-second spots, which is 0.6. Okay, and then I will do the same as before, but before that I will create some space here. Enter X value, in this case dollar. Okay, this is in dollar, remember, dollar in L1, and corresponding P probability value in L2. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go to my calculator. So stat button, then one button. In L1, instead of the durations, I will enter the cost, which is 500, then 800, and then 1,000. Okay, then I do the same as before. Press the stat button, then highlight calc on the top row, then number 1, list is L1, frequency list is L2, and calculate. And my mean cost is 896. So the expected value of the cost of advertisement, or the mean, is equal to 890. And how about the standard deviation? The standard deviation is 157.80. So I will stop here today. And if you have any question or comment, please do not hesitate to write me a note. I love you all guys for listening to my lecture. from the beginning to the end. If you like this video, please give me a strong thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, please share with your friends, you and your friends. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. This is because I have solved all kinds of math problem, and you can check out the different types of math problems, algebra, calculus, statistics that I've solved in this channel. Further, I'll be back tomorrow with another interesting problem, interesting solution. My goal is for you to become the best in math. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. See you later.